Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are creating a face that we can hopefully go into 2021 with as our everyday makeup routine when we do put makeup on. I'm going to be using some favorites, and some things, they're not even favorites, but I'm just looking at it like I feel like you would go nice with this product, and hopefully by the end of this video, we will have a new go-to face. So if you guys want to see that, then let's go. But because this video is sponsored by Tula and skincare is important, we are first going to prep our skin. Because y'all know how your base applies and wears throughout the day relies heavily on your skin prep. So I'm going to grab this Embrace Your Skin Holiday Kit from Tula. You guys probably heard me talk about them whenever I talk about this sunscreen that I also use, and I'll also be using in this video. But we're going to focus on this kit. Okay, it's going to give you radiance. It's going to give your skin everything that it needs to. And then you're going to apply your new face for 2021 and have the best year of your life. I'm wishing that on everyone watching this video. The first thing, which I already did because I was going to wash it here sitting down here, is cleanser. This is the Cult Classic Purifying Face Cleanser. The thing I like most about this is I like how it feels. It feels kind of beady and tacky. There's not like actual beads in it, but that's just how it feels when you're putting it on your face and washing. I hope you all know, like, at least scrub on your face for a good 60 seconds, get that cleanser all up in there, and then we're at this point where we can move on to the next item in the kit. So then we're going to take the brightening and neutralizing eye balm and give ourselves, some quick little dabs under the eye. Be careful with whatever you're applying on your under eye because you don't want to be too rough on it, It's just like little dabs, little dots on there. Don't be doing all that on your under eye. And of course, blend that in. And again, just be real delicate with this area on your face. And of course, moisturize your face. This is their 24/7 moisture hydrating day and night cream. You're gonna get a nice little application today. And then just lock it all in with their refreshing and brightening face mist. Kind of smells like candy. What's that candy called? What's that candy called? Sweeties? The little, I don't know, I'm pretty sure that's what they're called, right? And it's that simple. So this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna get this as a gift to yourself because it's that time of the year to treat yourself, right? And because it's limited, holiday releases, all that stuff, then you're gonna go home, make your own go-to routine. So that way, just go into 2021 you already got the look that you're going for. You just feel that you're going into 21, just, I'm ready. Well, let's just say you're ready. I was about to say ready for whatever it brings you, but after 2020, let's just go in trying to be as ready as possible for anything. Okay, so I'm gonna jump into eyeshadow. Let's start with this shade right here. Ooh, no, you can't even see it. Start with this shade right here all over the lid. And then this shade right next to it. Then this shade and this second one that I put like all the way over here up top. So this one, I'm just gonna keep it more like out here. And then this shade on the outer corner. Something simple so you did something, but you also don't have to do the most. We'll move on to primer, which also matches the concealer, at least like by brand. I'm throwing some hydro on the outsides. We're trying to create something that hopefully by the end we like. Okay, so for foundation, I have an idea. I have actually never tried anything like this before, so we'll see how it goes, but I'm going to apply stick foundation first. So here's my bright idea. Before I move on to concealer, I'm gonna set that with powder foundation, like powder that actually has, my skin tone to it. And I'm gonna use the little sponge applicator thing that comes with it and just okay, now I can move on to concealer. So I'm going to Then I'm gonna set my face. I use 2 powders to do that. So the first one down, and that one I really push in. This is my favorite contour. It's like one of the only contours that I use, but this just won't be going anywhere like anytime soon. Bronzer. This is really like the only blush I've worn ever since I tried this for the first time. And time to set it, especially since, you know, that's a lot of powder on the face, so always. I'm gonna use this lip oil because it's been doing what it has to do. A little bit of this Makeup Revolution gloss, a little bit. And a little teeny tiny bit of this Fenty gloss in Cake Shake right in the middle. And I say like a little bit, emphasis on a little bit for all of these, because when you're using a lot of glosses like that, you know, it can get to like that spit type of lip real quick. So that is it for my face, and listen, I am digging this outcome, okay? Especially the foundation combination, because it's still giving me like, this will help me wear well throughout the day, but it's also kind of giving like skin-like finish because of the finish of the foundation stick formula. So okay, let me know down below what are gonna be some of your go-to products in 2021. Makeup, skincare, all of that. Again, don't forget, go treat yourself with Tula, okay? And you can use my code on top of that as well. All of that will be linked down below. And yeah, that is it. So make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells, all of that down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.